Hello students, welcome to our English class. Today we are going to learn an English poem. Hope it's very interesting. Could you able to guess the topic through this image? Yes, in this image there is a grandma who is sitting in front of a computer and that computer is doing something. The grandma. So we'll see what this poem about. So this poem is something about the computer and a old lady who is in the age of her grandmother. So the title of the poem is The Computer Swallowed Grandmother, a 7th standard term 1 poem. The Computer Swallowed Grandmother. This is the title of the poem, and it is a mock poem of this digital or this technical era. So nowadays we are using computers and the mobile electronic gadgets, right? So this is a mock of this electronic era. The Computer Swallowed Grandmother, and this is the first stanza of the poem. The Computer Swallowed Grandmother. Yes, honestly it's true. She pressed Control and Enter and disappeared from view. So what happened to this grandmother? She pressed the Control and Enter button and she just vanished. She disappeared from view, which means the computer engulfed and she vanished from that place. Is it true? Can you believe this? Yeah, it's quite unbelievable, but this poet is saying, yeah, it's true. You have to accept this truth. So most of the time we spend our time with this mobile gadgets, electronic gadgets like mobile phones, TV or a laptop, computer, etc. Right? This grandma is spending her time with her computer and she vanished into it. That's what the poet come to say in this first stanza. And here there is a rhyme scheme, rhyming word. What are the rhyming word you can identify in this first stanza? Yes, it is true and view. So rhyming word means the ending word which has a similar sound. So true, view. Those two words sounds are very resembling, so we consider it as a rhyming word. And see the second stanza. It devoured her completely. The thought just makes me swim. She must have caught a virus or been eaten by a worm. So what happened to the grandma? So the word grandma obviously means this lady belongs to the grandma of the poet's grandmother, because the poet only writes this poem, right? So this lady is the grandma of the poet. And he thought that first stanza he told that this grandma was disappeared from sight, and in the second stanza he's thinking, what happened to this grandma? It devoured her completely. What it means? It sucked or it taken away her completely. The thought just makes me swim. So he got confused how it happened and what happened to my grandma and where I have to found her back and bring her back. So like that he is thinking, and she must have caught a virus. So what sort of thoughts comes into his mind means surely if there is a computer means there must be viruses or unwanted virus will come and affect the computer, right? It will make the data erase, or some errors will happen, right? So what he thinks means this, his grandma might caught by a virus, or she might have been eaten by a worm. So he's thinking in such a way. That's why I call it as a mock poem of this technological era he is using. So he's simply the poet depicting that his grandma was addicted to the computer. And see this next stanza. I have searched through the recycle bin and files of every kind. I have ever even used the internet, but nothing did I find. So, what are the places did he search his grandmother? Just compare it with a normal life. So, if our grandmother was not in our house, means where should we go and search? We should search our neighbor's house or the nearby temples or somewhere in our relative's house. That's what we used to do. But this man in the technological era, where should these people search his grandma? I have searched through the recycle bin. So in mobile we have trash bin, right? Same like that in computer also we have that recycle bin. All the deleted data are stored in our recycle bin, right? So he is searching his grandmother in that recycle bin. If at all he unknowingly deleted her grandma, means it might be stored in that recycle bin. And files of every kind. So files means in our computer we have folders and files. We put files in each and every folder, and he is searching in all that folders and all files. So he found his grandma nowhere. I have even used internet. So next thing what we should use in computer, they have network connection, internet connection also. He searched her grandma in internet also. So nowadays what are the social medias we use? We use WhatsApp and Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, Google and etc. Social medias are there, right? So he's searching his grandma in the nook and corner of the computer and the internet, but what's the result? But nothing did I find. He couldn't found her anywhere. So see the next stanza. In desperation, I asked Jeeves my searches to refine. The reply from him was negative. Not a thing was found online. So, what he used to do next is in desperation. Desperation means hopelessness. With hopelessness, he asked his friend Jeeves. I asked Jeeves my searches to refine. Just I have searched everything. Please, you just come and try an attempt. If you found, please bring my grandma back. So the reply from him was negative. His friend also come and search, but what the reply? He couldn't find. He also couldn't find his grandmother. Not a thing was found online. In online too, your grandma was not available. So this is the last stanza. And so if inside your inbox my grandma you should see, please copy, scan and paste her and send her back to me. During those this poet's contemporary days, what they use? They use Gmails. So Gmail is the forefather of this WhatsApp, Twitter, Facebook, all the things, right? So during those days they use mails frequently. So what this man is saying, in mail we have received the message in our inbox, right? So please go and check your inbox, and if you found my grandma, please copy and scan and paste, send her back to me. Just you can make a copy and paste to my folder, and please bring my grandma back to me. Just go and search all your inboxes, all our chats and conversation. Please, if you found my grandma, send it back to me, like that he is pleading to his friend. So could you understood the point? It is a pure satiric poem about this technological era. So is this possible? No, but this poet is thinking such a way, and he wrote this poem. Thank you, students. And this poet, this awesome poet's name was not given for us. The author is unknown, but it is one of the finest beautiful poems. Thank you, students. We'll meet in the next class.